Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use some leftover paints from my flower pour and transparent pouring medium again. This was my transparent. This is not white, it's clear, while when it's dry it's white when it's wet. And I will just pour in some gold and reds, magenta and Prussian blue. While I'm doing the why sorry, I'm doing this experiment because kind of like how you get the color blending a little differently. You get these layers of patterns one on top of each other, but in this case I will show it to you anyway because I want to show you this one for the example of it. I used two little contrasting colors. Those reds were just too similar to get the really effect that I was hoping for. But at the end is still a nice, cool looking painting at the end. I will show you the wet and the dried results, and you will see how this transparent pouring medium, it's not a base because we use it in our pour, you can use it. You can see all kind of stuff on YouTube and other social medias people do, with transparent base. I'm planning to do a Dutch pour with it too because I kind of want to see if there will be any layers under layers seeing in that kind of pour. But for today, it's just, using up some colors and do an experiment. That's why I do a voiceover, because when I have leftover paints, I just want to experiment and play and see what will happen. And I did pour a little bit of that transparent base on the top, and I will basically do just a wandering straight pour. So now I will let you listen to some music, watch the process. It's kind of relaxing just to watch paint flow, or just for me. I don't know, I am that way. And talk to you again when I will show you the dried results. So here is a close-up. Here is just too much red for my taste, maybe. But what I love about this pouring into the transparent base is this, oh my god, this transparency, where how to show you, because this is so shiny, there is so much transparency in here. I will try to turn off the light. Okay, maybe now I will be able to show you. You see here, there are kind of layers of things. I don't know how to explain. It's kind of hard to explain. But here I definitely should have used more contrasting colors. But I'm still trying to figure out how is the best way to use it. But I'm not mad about this painting at all. It's kind of a lava flowing from somewhere. And really beautiful. And I have to say that I'm not a big fan of those Pebeo Eco paints. I prefer my Amsterdams. I love Pebeo iridescent ones, but those are not, I don't know, they are quite expensive, so. But I'm always excited when I see new product and want to try it. Yeah. Okay, so this is it for today. Have a nice weekend and see you again on the next one on Monday. Bye!